I'm ready to begin the gluing of the bellflower inlay decoration on this front leg. And I've got the pieces of inlay over here, and I've got the hot hide glue ready to go. So I'll start up at the top and put in these arc segments. These are 1/16 inch wide holly. I just like to use a little stick there to put the glue right into the groove. I don't worry about how much glue there is. It doesn't matter, because after it's all dry, it's an easy cleanup to flatten this and remove all glue with scraper blades, etc. Just need to press down a little bit here for that hot hide glue to tack. It's a little cool in my shop today, so it's probably not working as well. It's working fine, I think. So now the other little two segments go in here. The short piece up at the top. And the ends of those little pieces will miter with the vertical length of stringing that goes down parallel to the edges all the way down to the ankle of the leg. And the last piece of arc butts up against that one and force it into the groove. These pieces are about 1/16 by 1/16. The actual groove is not a 1/16 inch deep, so they're sitting up proud a little bit. That comes off after the glue dries with a little block plane. Now these little bellflower shapes, sometimes they're a little bit harder to press in, and I like to use the chisel to help here position it, and then use the butt end of the chisel handle to force that in as much as it needs to go. I think that's going to do. The other little bellflower, I'm not ready yet to put that long third middle petal. I'm not ready to glue that because I haven't made the socket yet. I want to get all of this glued up, and then I'll create the space for that longer middle petal. But there are other long petals that go into this thing. And there's the shape of those middle of those longer petals. I just trace the shape on this 1/16 inch sheet of holly. And then with a number 5, I think it's a 12 millimeter number 5 carving tool, I can match the shape with two punches for each side. Okay, right here, little pool of hot hide glue, and press it in. Well, that's going in well there. Okay, I'll just speed this up here. I've got some more petals to install. I'll just get those pieces chopped out. And well, there's just this one long one that I need to do here. And I need to do the other 4 little petals and then let this dry overnight, and then I can get that socket out in the middle for that longer petal.